Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? I am here with a small haul from one from Creative Memories, and the rest is from Tuesday morning. I hadn't had a Tuesday morning haul in a while, but I'm excited that I did get this. This is one of the recipe templates, scrapbook layout pages. It's a 12 by 12. It's made out of mylar and it's sturdy, it's reusable. I like owning the templates. They only up there usually like maybe 2 months or so, but I just like them for different layouts, and they're just quick and easy to help me with my scrapbooking. And this is called Sunshine, and the thing about them is that they are reversible. You can flip them. When I say flip them, like, and each one is different, so some of them you can flip like literally just by turning it 90 degrees. You get 4 different orientations, and then by flipping it over you get, and then turning it by 4 you can get different orientations. But some of them are symmetrical, like this one, but you can pick and choose how you want to do aspects of it. And so they just give you a couple examples, but it's multiple ways. So you can do the whole thing, cut out each individual piece, paper piece, and put it back, make them all pictures, paper and or pictures, or you can do segments, you know, these two, and that top like that. So you have, and that's just 2 of them, but I'm saying literally you can do so many different ways. You can color block it. This could be one side, that could be one side. It's just so many, 4 different quadrants. You can do so many different things with the way you want to do it, or like these 2 pictures and a sunburst down the bottom. So I love to get these, and I'm so mad when I missed a couple of them. I want to go back and get them. I'm trying to find them now because I like to keep all of them. But anyway, that's what I got from Creative Memories. And then I'll show you what I got for Tuesday morning. I went, sent a whole bunch of pictures to my friends and text message, and I didn't buy anything. I went to 2 stores and went home, and I didn't get anything. Both of them were loaded, and I just waited a couple days, and I said, no, I'll wait. If I come back and they're there, I get it. And literally I came back, and I debated because this is more than what I normally pay for a dye. But then again, I mean, when I order certain things from different places, I will pay a little bit more online. The price was still cheaper. I mean, half price, and it's cheaper than anything online for those dyes. So I said, okay, I'll go back, and I ended up getting them. I went to a 3rd store and they had them, and I got them, some from the 2nd, some from the 3rd store. But this is what I did get. This is Sizzix $6.99. It's 23-piece set. It's just little icons with the images with faces and stuff, but it's fruit and food and things like that. So you can kind of see those images right there. And the Sizzix number 664365 if you want to look it up online. And it just says, what's the name of it though? Spring Icon. So I get this, just thought it might be a quick little card by Laura Whitlock. 13-piece die set, and it's a birthday card. So you see all the little things that say birthday, and of course you can use a happy birthday on anything. And the cupcake, the images you can use on anything else. You don't have to use it just on this card base, but you can use it on that one. And again, it's that little dimensional, quick little card. And then this is the Cut and Boss by Crafter's Companion. And that Sizzix number, I'm sorry, was 662806. And this is the Crafter's Companion. And this is a A2 4¼ by 5½ on a Boston folder, and it's called Cozy Cottage. And it embosses the door and cuts it out at the same time, so that you actually have like a peekaboo window. So that's that one. And then these were the big dies that I'm not used to paying from Tuesday morning anyway, $16.99. So I haven't opened them yet because I'm still debating. Am I going to keep them? But I know they're going to be good. So they are dies, box dies, different shapes. So these were the 4 different ones that we had. And so the first one is the gift carton box. And this is actually a 25-piece set, $16.99. The finished box size is 4½ by 4. And so you do have words in here. You have, look, you can make a tag and stuff. What does that say? Gift. I don't know what the words are up there. I ain't the best at reading backwards. But there's some sentiments, and so that's the main die. But you also have the ability to layer it, and then also to cut inside of it. So you get both those mattings. And then you also get tags, banners, which again, you know, a key and a keyhole. You don't have to use these, a crown, a heart, stitched banners that can go like around it that way. You just want pieces around the edges and flowers and stuff. So you have quite a few accessories, and of course accessories are not limited to using it with this die. You can use these on any other thing, you know, any other project. So yeah, so I mean it's still a nice die set, so I just didn't want to spend the $16.99 when this probably cost anywhere from $4.99 to maybe $9.99 previously in Tuesday morning, but I know everything has changed. My mom said every price is raised on COVID because every store says, it's COVID, it's COVID, it's COVID, but raise the prices. So I'm like, yeah, double. But it's still cheaper, so I can't complain. So you see, obviously I purchased them. But they had the die. So this one is the trinket box, and when it's finished, it's 3 1/4 by 2 inches. Again, you have the opportunity to mat it or to do to solid mat, so then to also do the cuts, insert into it, inlay in it, or cut and mat it, if that makes sense. So, and it's got gift for you, some other letters up here, and some flowers and stuff that you can use and scrunch up or lay them flat to decorate the top. But that's the top and the lid. So it's a nice little box. Then the next one is the bonbon box, and I thought this one had a really fun shape. It's got the interlocking at the top, and again, all of these are $16.99. This is 3 1/4 by 4 inches. You have a lot of accessories, flowers and leaves, and it says hello that you can add on it as well. And of course, again, with any of these accessory dies, you're not limited to use it with this. You can use it with anything else. They do give you 2 different designs, which is nice. So you can make it with the holes, or you can make it with the lattice, quarter paw design. Not lattice, or quarter paw design, or like Swiss dots or whatever. So you get either one of those, or you can keep them solid, or you can mat them. And you can mat them or cut those in or mat them with that. So several ways that you can do it. So again, like this, the solid mat, no mats. You can mat it and then put the overlay over it, or you can just use this to cut into it so you have a peekaboo. So you have multiple ways you can do it, and no matting at all. So yeah, so it should be fun. And then of course you can put some chocolates or some goodies in there, whatever it is, some trinkets for somebody. And then, oops, I forgot this one. This was another one of the Swiss extendeds, and this one is by Olivia Page, 663322, and it is called Rain Boot Planter. So of course it's the, I don't know, I think I got this one though. I know I have the boots, the wellies, but I don't, the one I have is the 2 set, I mean both feet. I don't believe I have this one, but I gotta double check, because now that I'm looking at it, I wonder if, I know I had the other set of wellies, but then I wanted to also get this one a while back. I gotta double check. If so, it'll go in my giveaway bucket. So anyway, there's some flowers and stuff with that. So a nice size. That's 17 pieces. So this is the last one, and this one also is a different shape, and this is the honeycomb favorite box. And this one comes out to 4 by 4. You got some words up here. You got some flowers. You got some tags. You got some leaves, and again, you can use those flowers and leaves on anything. You know, seriously, almost everything in scrapbooking has flower and leaves. So that's pretty cool. Then you have 3 different types of designs that you can use with this box, which is also pretty cool. So you can get 3 different types of effects, so that the box doesn't look the same every single time you make it. And of course, you can leave it plain. You can mat it, and then you can double mat it, or you can just cut into it and make it a see-through box. So you have several different ways you can do it. And again, you have 3 different styles of that as well. So it makes it more versatile when they do that versus just giving you one like matted style, but 3 different ones is really nice. So that's pretty cool. And then you can also just mat the top, I mean the bottom or the top or both. So I also have that option as well. So anyway, that is my haul. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep them. I'm trying to tell myself I'm going to take something back, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep them. But look forward to those projects. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful and safe day. Take care. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my channel. I appreciate you. And you guys have a wonderful day. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.